Good morning. We got some beautiful blue skies today. That sun is just coming up nice as well. It's a little bit frosty this morning, but it's going to be a nice one today, tomorrow. A couple of nice days. I think a bit drizzly on Friday. But yeah, we're getting some progress now, guys. So I've just got the kettle on. I'll grab that wire now so we can carry on. So we're going over 10 meters so we can run our log to here, get this bit of this ceiling in. Our pieces of wood we glued in yesterday were bonded in. They're in absolutely solid. And we cleaned all that network up yesterday as well. So we can virtually get all this ceiling in now, guys, today. So that's the plan, get all the ceiling in, and then we can start going down the sides. Hopefully I'll be going to pick the boards up today as well, if not tomorrow at the latest. So we'll have all these partitions finished as well, all fitted in, bar the shower one, because obviously we want to put the tray in, everything, and work around that. But yeah, some amazing progress. I need to pick some wood up to make that frame for that hatch, because we decided to change the one we was making. And then I'll be making all these outer window frames. Yeah, you'll see over this week an amazing difference on this boat. I ain't messing about no more. I've got all the clips now, connectors to put all these lights in, so I can cut all this wiring down, get all the connectors on, get all the lights, connect them to a leisure battery, make sure everything's all working right before we fit all the blade fuse boards and everything in. So just make sure everything's bang on. So yeah, coming together now, absolutely amazing, folks. So I've just got that kettle on, just having a quick cuppa. Well, I'll put this wiring through while I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. So we don't mess about today. Let's get as much done as we can. So we've got that first piece in, guys. Some of that wiring down as well. I need to do 1, 2, another 7 planks for here now. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5, and then cut one down for down the middle. So I'm going to get the rest of this bit of ceiling in now. Well, we're going to cut that hole out there as well, so I'm going to do that first, and then I can continue down the boat. So this is the tool we're going to be using. We've just done a little mark so we know roughly where we are, but that's pretty good. I know it's exactly there. But this is one of the kits, so very handy bit of kit, so you can put all your holes through. Come in handy for your water pipes and everything. I actually picked this one up from the local hardware shop on Canal Lane, Canal Hardware. To be fair, we've had a lot of stuff from there, all our screws, fitting, wire and everything. So anybody in the Midlands, Walsall, Wednesbury, West Bromwich area, very handy shop, a lot cheaper than Screwfix, B&Q for all your bits and bobs. And we did manage to get some bulk packs of bullet clips off them as well. They did look after us on the price. So Canal Lane Hardware shop, guys. It's a bit of a local DIY, but it is open at 8:30, well 20 past 8, 8:30. So if you want to be work early, they've got everything in stock as well, guys. So yeah, our little fabulous hole cutter, cheap and cheerful. I think the old kit was under a tenner as well, guys. So that's our roll. That's pretty good lined up as well. So that's sound for the air vent. I might just move a bit of that foam out of the way, but I think he's going to put a little metal tube in there, 4-inch, just to hide that foam. So that's in a perfect place as well. Looking good, guys, looking good. That ceiling is going in nice now, guys. So we haven't got many to do left. What we have done now is pre-run all our wiring. So outside for these, so it's going outside 12 volt. And for spotlights, you've got to put some through that side, which is going to be a lot easier. We've got our middle electrics in, so we're going to have to drill an hole for that one as well. And we've labelled up everything, so we know what everything is for, so no mistakes when it comes to putting all the 12 volts in. Same the other end, everything's labelled the other end of the boat as well, and we know that's where the second lot of lights start. So we've got the first 8 on one switch and the second row and the hallway on a separate switch. Bit of excitement on the canal today, guys. I'm putting a boat in. It could be to come and pump this one out down here, or could it be to go upstream? A little plastic boat with an outboard on it. Is it to sort the locks out, or is it to come down to this boat down here? Gorgeous day for it anyway. I'd like a little blast on that myself. We've been coming to get this boat out today. We'll have a bit of excitement down here. Unless it's going upstream, we'll keep our eye and we'll have who knows what's going on. And it's got it running, so see where they're going. Oh, one's walking upstream, so I guess they're going upstream with it. No, he's coming back. Oh, they could be coming to get this boat out today. There's some come on at the end. Well, they're heading this way, guys. So let's get up on the bridge and we get a better view. You coming to get that boat out today? Wicked. Yes, I'm coming to get that boat out today. Gorgeous sunshine as well, guys. Oh, my arms are burning, but yeah, there's the one more main one cut. And then I've got to cut the strip down for down the middle of that as well, guys. And then we're going with show from this side, a 6-inch plank. And then I've got to recut these down the middle so the lights sit on the 6-inch plank. But yeah, absolutely coming on brilliant now, guys. So I'm gonna just quickly make me a cup of tea and go and watch, have a quick nose at them pumping that boat out. Then gonna rescue and drag down here the sunken boat at the end on the previous video. So a bit of excitement down here for a change today. I wasn't quick enough then with my phone. It's just gone back through. I guess he's going to get the pump and that. Pump the sunken boat up. We'll have a walk up as soon as that kettle boils, guys, and I'll show you the sunken boat that I'm going to bring out and dispose of. I'm coming back up now in the dinghy. Look how blue that water looks. It looks amazing though, guys. And then they're going all the way up to the top to rescue that boat out. So we'll have a walk up, guys, and have a little nose. This is the one of the lads is working on. Been putting all the floor in here. Look at how the match is open, absolutely awesome on that one. And this is the sunken wreck at the end here. But then going to attempt to pump out. How you doing? Gonna pump it all out now? Yeah. So this is the sunken wreck. It's being pumped out now, guys. Look at the size of the pumps they're putting in. That'll soon come up. Coming up quick, that is, guys. Yeah. To the engine now. Leave these guys to pump that out. Let's get back to work and we'll video them towing it down, guys. The Canal and the River Trust lads do amazing jobs keeping the canals going. So slowly but surely, here comes the sinking boat. Just making our way down the middle now past all the narrowboats. What a beautiful day as well, guys, to be doing this. I think the best day of the week. Yeah, everybody playing golf on the other side of us as well, guys.
I don't know, I didn't That's awful.
That one there?
The big ones are ours.
Oh, that's one there.
Sorry. Yeah, no, the big ones are ours.
Yeah,
No, so they look about it.
Purpose to take it out.
Onward.
Yeah, you got plenty of room.
How are we doing back there, Harry?
It's all pumped out there, look, all muddy. Yeah, you have to watch your head on there. I haven't got much room to get through that gap there. It's going to be a bit of a close one. Bit close to Phil's boat there. Oh, and squeezing between the Elizabeth as well. You can see the water line on the side of that boat, so you can see how far it was down, guys. And there you go, safely into the side, ready to be collected. Amazing work by the commercial boat rescue team. And that's where the water from, people. All the way down there, right at the very bottom of the yard. And on that note, let's get back to work. So, just drilled out another one of these for our centre lights, and just one more somewhere along here now, so I'm just going to drill that out now, and then we can get back onto that. So I've nearly got all the sealing in, guys. Just this one now. So I've got to go just over 2.5 to 3 inch up that end. It would be different gaps. So let's have a go cutting a board down and see how we're getting on trying to get it in now. So while I was working, got to see which way they took the boat, but I believe they've took it that way towards Brownells and then empty it where the tugboats just unload all the lime and things like that. So it's definitely gone that way because they never got it out here because there's no water on the side. So they definitely took it that way, guys. The kind neighbours fetched us some chips, guys, so they look quite nice as well. So we've got some chips, some sandwiches, bottle of Coca-Cola, beautiful sunshine, beautiful surrounding down the boatyard. It's like being down to the airport all beautifully on a weekend, guys. So I'm just going to enjoy these, and I have just cut that last piece down, so I'm covered in sawdust. But yeah, just going to enjoy these in the beautiful weather, guys, and then I'll be back at work. Well, I feel fat now, guys. I've had my chips and sandwiches. Now I've got to try and get that piece of wood in there. This is going to be fun. It's the last one as well, so let's try and get this in now. So we've got that last piece in, guys, and we've used that cutting tool to put the last air vent hole in. So all the sealing is in there, all the way down the boat. We have got our strips to put across here, but what I want to do is put the side ones on first, and then I don't know which part to do next. I've still got loads to do on the boat, so I'm just glue this up a window frame again. I did make it and then I squashed it and broke it. So let's get these done, and yeah, we need to get the wood for down these edges now, get them in, and it's starting to look like a narrowboat now, guys. Whew, sweating today. Hoodie's off, everything's off. Oh, it is a beautiful day today. So I'm very impressed now with how far we've come. Yeah, looking wicked now, guys. Right, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to have a big tidy up, get rid of all this sawdust, move all this ply out, move everything out my way, so I've got a nice clear run to stop. Oh, I'm exhausted moving all this wood. Whew, it's a bit hot for manual labour. So yeah, I'm going to clear all this out, clear all this rubbish up that we've made a right mess. Just makes it easier to work, guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing for at the minute. Get all this all cleaned out, tidied up, and then I've got a nice clear run to crack on to the next jobs. So I've got more 12 volt come through now. That's what I've just been doing, feeding all that through. So it's starting to look absolutely amazing now, guys. Right, so cleared all that out the way now, guys. So what we're going to do, start boxing in underneath here, coming along to here, get our trim on while we wait for the boards to come to do that bulkhead, because we want to start from there coming down this way now, and then we can get all our trim down this edge like we did in the bathroom, and we need all our trim for along the top to finish all the sealing off, and then we can put our cross pieces in. So yeah, this we'll start from there and coming down now, guys. So that's our first section in. So box all underneath here, all the way along. Just got to push that up down there. We have just put a couple of dummy screws in a minute just to hold it, but then we're coming back out because the wood trim that we're going to put on both sides is going to be all wood glued on. So that's how we're going to box all down both sides of the boat, guys. So using that trim on the edge make it look a lot better, and we've gone all the way to there. So that's all boxed in. We just used some tape, just hold that tight to the wood for tonight. Got one more piece, but we're going to use a fair few of these right angles to be fair. So what we're using is this, look guys, wood trim, just like a corner edge trim to finish all the way along, and just to hold that box section in up there. So I'm going to do that screw, I'm going to push that up a little bit, try and catch that box, because I have put plenty of wood glue under there as well, so I was hoping that would grip that and pull it back down. But I should be able to get my finger in and pull it back down there guys anyway. Folks, so I've just been having a little tidy up, and we just tried the rings to make sure everything fits. So that's it until tomorrow now guys. Beautiful weather outside, so I'm going to enjoy a nice chilled drive home guys, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.